I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular wallet tracking cards. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these, what I like, what I don't like. A lot of these are similar. They do pretty much all the same things. There are some major differences. I'm going to walk you through them and what might be the best fit for you with what you might need. You can't go wrong with either one of these, but depending on your needs, one of them is going to be better for you. I'm going to walk through all of them with you right over here. This one right over here is going to be our Spotminder. This one right over here is going to be I don't know how to say it. It's BFADEHA. And this one right over here is going to be the GOCII, GOCII. Let's get started. We'll just start with the Spotminder right over here. So this one right over here, I'm going to tell you how they fit into wallets. Do they work with pop-up wallets as well? I both have a pop-up and traditional, just depending on what I'm doing. So let's take a closer look right over here. This is exactly what it looks like. It looks exactly like a credit card. It comes in this nice little box here. Very giftable. Works with the Find Mine app. This does not work with Android, just with Apple. This is 0.07 on the thickness. This is the thinnest card of them all that we have here. What we do here is you're going to open the Find My app. Unfortunately, I cannot show you it. But you're going to open the Find My app and this will be connected to that. You're literally just going to press this down. You want to make sure it clicks. And then when you do open the Find Mine, very important, you're going to want to hit add device. Don't hit new AirTag. So what we're going to do here is you have the option. It plays a sound just like this. So if you want to find it, it also shows you the location. And then there's also a direction sign. So if you wanted to drive, if you find the wallet, you could just hit the stop button right over there and you find it no problem. So there's that. Now, in terms of a traditional wallet right over here, I was a little concerned, but it goes in and out, no problem. Super easy, it slides in and out. Even with another card over here, it's no problem to get them in and out. So super easy to go in and out there. Also, this is great if you have like a wallet that has a pocket like this, that's kind of a waste. You can just put it in there and doesn't really mess with kind of your wallet at all. In terms of a pop-up, I am a huge pop-up fan. This, I was like, I hope this works in the pop-up. It does. Absolutely love that. One of my favorite features about this. This is rechargeable as well. You'll get about 8 months out of this, and then you could recharge it. It doesn't come with a charger, but you just could use a normal charger with this. And then also with this, if you had other pockets, you could put it in here as well in a kind of pop-up wallet scenario. Next, we're going to take a look at this one right over here. This is going to be the BFADEHA. So this is what this one looks like right over here. We'll get into the differences in a second. So we have a little slot right over here. So you can put a string through that or a really small carabiner, get it on a bag or wherever else you want this on. The thickness on this is going to be 0.1. So this one is a little thicker right over here. In terms of how this one works, same idea. You're going to hold this down, open the Find My, hit add device, and it pops right up. You just have to hit agree twice and you're good to go. This one will also play a sound. This one plays a sound for about, I would call it 5 seconds, and then it will stop. So you can keep hitting that button until you find it. Also, there is that directions button there as well if you wanted to go directly to wherever this was. This works in wallets, bags, purses, wherever. Now, in terms of the traditional wallet right over here, this easily goes in and out, no problem. Even with another card involved right over here, you can just see just like that, goes in and out. So no problems there. This could also fit in a spot just like that. In terms of the pop-up wallet, this one doesn't work as well. It's a little, you can see it's kind of moving around in there. It does pop up a little. It kind of comes out, but if you also had like another spot for this, this would work in another spot. So just know that if you just have like a money clip and pop-up, this one probably not going to be great for you in that sense. Let's jump over to this one right over here, then we'll get into the comparisons. So this one right over here works with AirTags. So you're going to get it just like this. You're going to get 2 of these. And what you're going to do is you're going to pop in an AirTag. So you take this just like that. You got to be pretty firm with this and just push that in easily, just like that, and it's in there. Really easy to pop in and out. In terms of a traditional wallet now, this is going to come in this box right over here. So it is giftable as well. Fits in the traditional wallet, no problem. Also in this spot right over here. Now, in terms of a pop-up, this one does not fit in a pop-up, mainly because of this air tag right over here. This is meant to hold 6 to 8 cards. So even if you had a bigger holder, I don't really know how many else you'd get in there. But again, if you had another spot like that, you could do that. Now, let's take a look at these head to head now. So I would say let's just go apples to apples. For this one right over here, this one is going to be best if you have air tags and you're looking to get them into a wallet, or just get an air tag into something a little bigger so it doesn't get lost. I've had air tags in bags before and backpacks. It's like, where is it? It always goes to the bottom. But something like this, you don't have to worry about this because it's going to be square, and you could just get us in a wallet and you don't have to put the air tag in the wallet because it's kind of super annoying. All right, these two head to head now. I would say this one is going to be the better fit for you if you want to hang this on something, because it has this little hole right here. So you can put this through a string and get that going. Works in a traditional wallet as well. So you could do that. Kind of works in the pop-up if you have another pocket. This one and this one is going to last 5 years. Both of these are also waterproof, so that's kind of the same. This one right over here is rechargeable, so this will last basically forever. And it will last for 8 months. Then you could recharge this. This one works with the pop-up wallet slot, which I absolutely love, and also the traditional one. So if you have a wallet that you're looking to use this in and it has that pop-up, you could use this. If you just had a pop-up and a money clip, this is definitely going to be the one for you. This one is not going to work as well for that. Again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. And a thing to note, this one right over here comes in different colors if you wanted that. This one has a Pro. This is the Pro one, and another one. It doesn't matter. I just got the Pro. This does not come in different colors. So can't really go wrong. These make great gifts. We have these everywhere in our wallets and backpacks. We have some of these as well, and then we have these as well. So can't go wrong with either one of these. I hope you find the right tracker for you. If you found this helpful, like it, and hope you find the right one for you.